Unlock the possibilities of safety and convenience with the Flient GateGuard, your ultimate smart lock solution for gates or fences. With 7 versatile unlocking methods, including fingerprint scanner, access code, and Bluetooth connectivity, this state-of-the-art lock provides unparalleled security and flexibility. Easily manage access via the TT Lock app with features such as time restrictions, automatic locking, and detailed logs. With its robust, secure, and waterproof design, the Flient GateGuard offers safety and protection for all your properties. The Flient GateGuard utilizes an electric motor that automatically closes through a sensor in the smart lock, eliminating worries about whether the door is properly secured. Discover the possibilities on our website and open your door to a safer and smarter future.